Welcome to the Explainer. If you've ever worked in a large organization, you already know the exact universal pain point we are diving into today. I am talking about the daily, grinding friction of navigating clunky, historical enterprise software. We've all been there, right? Staring at this incredibly complex screen, absolutely knowing the piece of information you need is in there somewhere, but it feels like you're trying to solve a giant puzzle just to get your hands on it. Well, today we're unpacking how SAP is completely overhauling that exact experience with a new tool they call Joule. We are going to look at the massive shift from those friction-heavy processes to a totally new way of working. To really understand why this massive change is happening right now, we kind of have to acknowledge a fundamental truth about enterprise systems, and it's this. Most SAP users never actually had a data problem. Seriously. Think about your own past struggles with a software for a second. The issue was almost never a lack of critical information. SAP is literally famous for being the absolute bedrock of corporate data. It captures everything. The data was always there, just sitting perfectly structured in the database. So if it wasn't the data, what was it? Well, they had an access problem. The massive bottleneck that's been holding back enterprise efficiency for years wasn't about capturing the information. It was entirely about the humans trying to retrieve it. Because when your business data is locked behind layers of complex interfaces, the speed of your business slows down to the speed of your ability to click through menus. And just take a second to look at the sheer scale of the information we're talking about here. SAP holds the absolute lifeblood of a business. We're talking finance, procurement, supply chain, HR, manufacturing, customer data, the whole shebang. If you can't access this stuff quickly, you definitely cannot make fast decisions. The stakes here are incredibly high. So, to get to all that incredible data, let's look at the agonizing journey you used to have to take. First off, you had to remember those cryptic transaction codes, the infamous T codes, or maybe navigate through a maze of multiple Fiori apps. You inherently had to understand these really complex underlying SAP processes just to ask a simple question. Then you'd run your reports manually, and what did literally everyone do next? You exported it straight into Excel because, let's be real, that was the only way to actually play with the data. Finally, when all else failed, you had to depend on expensive consultants or internal power users just to get your basic job done. It created a staggering amount of friction across the entire enterprise. It was just exhausting. Moving on to Section 1, the philosophy shift. This brings us to a really pivotal realization from SAP. They realize that modern users no longer want to, quote-unquote, learn software. They expect the software to understand them. Think about how profound that shift is. In our personal lives, we use apps that are instantly intuitive, right? We talk to our phones. But at work, we were still basically reading manuals to figure out how to submit a simple invoice. SAP finally hit the nail on the head and said, the era of forcing the user to bear the burden of complex navigation, it's over. The software has to step up and do the heavy lifting now. And that exact philosophy is exactly why they built this. Meet SAP Joule. Introduced back in 2023, Joule is not just some tiny widget floating on your screen. It is the absolute centerpiece of SAP's entire AI strategy. It's a generative AI Copilot designed entirely from the ground up to make SAP systems conversational using natural language. Instead of forcing you down these rigid, predefined navigation paths, Joule lets you interact with your whole ERP system using the exact same words you speak every single day. All right, Section 2, Before and After Joule. Let's look at some real-world examples. Let's start with a classic procurement headache. On the left, you've got the old way. To find a vendor payment status, you're navigating through maybe 5 different transactions, clicking through screens, just praying you didn't miss a step. Now, on the right, look at the new reality with Joule. You just type or literally say, what's the payment status for vendor Bosch? That is it. That clunky, time-consuming method of digging for data is instantly replaced by an effortless conversational prompt. Historically, again on the left, you had to know the exact T code or the highly specific Fiori app name for every single task. You essentially had to memorize a completely foreign language. But now on the right, you simply describe what you want in plain English. You don't need to know how the system works on the back end anymore. You only need to know what business outcome you're trying to get to. And what about data analysis? Oh man, we all know the drill on the left. Run a massive report manually, sit there waiting for it to load, export it to Excel, format all those columns, and then try to analyze it yourself. Super tedious. With Joule on the right, you just tell the system, summarize this quarter's open purchase orders by category. Boom. That multi-step manual exporting nightmare is instantly replaced by intelligent, on-demand AI summarization. You get the actual answer, not just a wall of raw data. This even changes the everyday administrative friction. Just look at standard HR tasks. On the left, you'd normally have to dig through the company intranet, locate the HR portal, navigate these multi-step forms, and finally submit a request. On the right, booking time off becomes as simple as sending a quick text message to a coworker. Request 3 days of annual leave starting next Monday. It understands the logic, finds the right form in the background, and executes the whole process for you. And hey, it is not just for everyday business users. Even highly complex technical tasks for developers are getting radically simplified here. On the left, developers traditionally had to search through endless documentation and write complex ABAP or CDS logic entirely by hand. Now, on the right, they can just prompt Joule, write a CDS view for sales order items with net amount. The generative AI actually assists in writing the code itself, which ends up saving developers hours of manual coding work. Which brings us to our final section, Section 3, the conversational ERP future. So the overarching point here is perfectly captured in this me versus it contrast. For decades, as you see on the left, users had to adapt themselves to the ERP systems. You had to learn its weird language, follow its rigid rules, and basically contort your workflow to match whatever was on the screen. But with Joule, on the right, the ERP system starts adapting to the user. You speak naturally, and the system figures out how to accommodate you. I cannot stress enough how massive this philosophical shift from static screens to dynamic conversations really is. To truly appreciate the magnitude of this, just remember the heavy dependencies of the past. Using enterprise software historically required intensive training sessions, deep process knowledge, serious technical familiarity, and years of specialized SAP expertise. Companies were spending millions upon millions just teaching their own employees how to use the software they bought. That was an incredibly heavy burden on literally every organization. Joule completely removes that burden by bringing 3 key things to the table: conversational access, deep contextual understanding, and AI-driven assistance, all injected directly into your SAP workflows. And actually, that last part is totally vital. SAP sees Joule as way more than just another generic chatbot floating on your desktop. Because it's embedded directly into your actual workflow, with full context of your proprietary business data, it represents the absolute beginning of true conversational ERP. So, for the IT decision makers and SAP professionals watching this explainer, the takeaway is crystal clear. The core interface of enterprise software is permanently changing. The future SAP user experience is going to revolve entirely around AI-driven interactions, natural language workflows, and proactive AI agents doing the heavy lifting in the background. The days of hunting and pecking through endless menus, they're finally coming to a close. Which leaves us with one final, pretty provocative question to ponder. If enterprise software is fundamentally changing from rigid screens to fluid conversations, how will you talk to your business tomorrow? When all that friction is finally gone, what will you and your teams actually be able to achieve? Thank you so much for joining me for this explainer. I really hope this gave you a clear vision of exactly why SAP built Joule and where the whole world of ERP is heading next.
Subscribe our channel for explainer like this. Join Anubhav trainings for latest technical courses on Build, AI, Joule, BTP Wrap, BTP Cap. Thank you for watching.